Hello, and my name is Henry Kwashi. I will be taking you through a quick and easy way to install Python on your Windows using Anaconda. So these slides to this short tutorial will be made available on your WhatsApp page. Now, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a distribution of Python R for scientific computing, data science, and machine learning. It includes popular packages and tools such as Conda, Spider, Jupyter Lab and Notebook, and others. Due to for managing Python environments and dependencies. So to install Anaconda on your PC, you just need to navigate to this URL. You will find something like this with your architecture or your operating system that you are using. So for I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I can click on this button here to start download, or just click on the download button here to start download. In case you want to go to this navigation through Google, you can just Google Anaconda download, and this should show you some queries. You can then select the first, and you have this page where you submit your email, and it will still send you the URL for this page to download your Anaconda. So after download, you have to go to where your download file is, or then install the Anaconda. So here we have the Anaconda package being downloaded already. It's a .exe file. So all you have to do is just double click on the Anaconda package. Then you have this window popping up. So you just click next and then agree to the terms. Then it's best to select just for me, click next. Since I've already installed Anaconda on my PC, I'm not going to do that again. However, you can change the directory where you want to install your Anaconda. So let me change my directory and proceed. And I get access to the advanced installation options. We'll just keep everything as it is, and then we'll click install. So when your installation is complete, you can just click next and you click next again. So after the installation, you can start to launch the navigator, which I will take you to shortly. So let's click finish, and you have a welcome page showing that you've successfully installed Anaconda. Okay, so now going back to the slides, after the installation is complete, we need to know or be sure that we install Anaconda. One method is to launch the Anaconda navigator. Another method is to use the command prompt or Anaconda prompt to check the versions of Anaconda and Python on that you've installed with your Anaconda. So you can find some of these commands in the slides, and you can try them yourself. So I'll take you through it. First of all, I'll go to my Windows Start and then type Anaconda. I'll begin with the Anaconda prompt. So that opens a prompt, and automatically it links to the Conda base environment, which I will explain in a few moments. So to check the version of Conda which has been installed which came with the Anaconda that you've installed, you can just type Conda version. So the Conda version I'm using is 24.5. So if you check the Python distribution that came alongside, you can just type Python then version. So I'm using 3.1 2.4 version of Python. So Anaconda comes with a package manager, which is the Conda package manager and the pip package managers. So it depends on what package is available in what repository. In case you want to check the packages that are installed on the Conda environment or repository, then you can just type Conda list. That should display all the packages that is available in your Conda in this environment for this particular Conda list. So you can also use the pip package manager. So pip list, we have a list of the packages that have been installed within this environment. Okay. So we have quite a number of them. So let's say you want to start a new project with different purpose, and then you will have to create a different environment that suits that particular project. So to create a new environment, you just type Conda create, then the name of the environment, which could be anything. So in my case, I can just use the environment, the env, or maybe new env, or I could just do that env, just anything at all. Then maybe then I specify the Python version I would like to use for that particular environment. Okay. That should take some few minutes to install, depending on your internet speed. Okay, so now that I have this environment installed, I could just change from the base environment to what I just created. I'll just have to activate it, which the command is already shown here. So I can just type the same thing. .env. Then you realize this name has just changed to .env. Okay, so let's check the packages within this new environment. Conda list. You realize that it came pre-packaged with some basic packages that are common for such new environments. We can also check with the pip package manager and see what it also has. Okay, so to install a package within your Conda environment or your Python environment, you can just use either the Conda command or the pip command, depending on the whether the package is available in the package manager's repository. So for instance, I could get Conda install numpy from the Conda repository. So when I do a Conda list, you realize that now that package has been added to the list of packages that I requested. So this is the numpy installed. Now let's try another one. If I want to install Conda Marvel, which is an API for the Marvel, for accessing Marvel comics and series. You realize that Conda doesn't have a repository stored for the Marvel API. Hence, I can then try pip Marvel, and let's see whether the pip repository has the package that we need. Okay, so that is it for. So when you do pip list, you should find this listed within the packages. So that is it. So that is how you get the packages that you need for your projects. So in conclusion, Anaconda will provide a comprehensive environment for Python development. It simplifies the package management and environment setup. That is ideal for data science, scientific computing, and machine learning. So the next step is to explore the navigator and then start coding. If I mean the navigator, I mean this interface where you can have the graphical interface view of your environmental packages that have been installed. So this is just like doing a conda list for all the packages installed within a particular environment. So here I have a couple of environments created. I just created that environment here. I already have the base environment and then others also. So you can then launch a Spider, which is an ID for managing or for writing Python codes. I also have VS Code, which is also used for the same thing. I have PyCharm. So here you can also use to manage your software that are related to Python. So that is it for installation of Python on your Windows PC using Anaconda. Thank you.